In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Supermetrics for Facebook ads. If you're looking to streamline your ad reporting, get ready to learn an efficient way to manage and analyze your Facebook ads data. Let's dive in and explore this step-by-step process together. First things first, you'll need to access the Supermetrics dashboard or hub. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Supermetrics account using your credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll want to do that first. Supermetrics is a powerful tool that consolidates your data management, so it's important to ensure your account is securely set up. Now, after logging in, you'll need to set Facebook ads as your data source. When prompted, choose the Facebook ads or Instagram ads connector. This ensures that you'll be able to pull detailed insights specifically from your Facebook advertising campaigns. Choosing the right connector is crucial as it dictates the data you'll be working with. Next up, it's time to authorize access. You'll see a prompt to authenticate your Facebook account or whichever account you use for your ads. It's a straightforward process. Simply allow Supermetrics to access your account. This step is essential as it grants the necessary permissions, allowing Supermetrics to read your ad data. We're talking about campaigns, performance metrics, and more. The tool needs permission to seamlessly extract the necessary data, so make sure everything is set up correctly here. At this point, it's important to verify that the relevant ad accounts or pages are selected or whitelisted. This step is often where people run into issues. If you notice any missing campaigns later on, it's usually due to a permissions problem. Double-check to ensure all the necessary accounts are accessible, preventing any hiccups down the road. Once access is granted, the next step involves deciding on your destination or reporting tool. This is essentially where you want all your precious data to go. Options typically include tools like Google Sheets or Looker Studio, among others. This decision is often made when you build a query or set up the Supermetrics connector in your chosen reporting tool. Consider where you'll find your data most useful and accessible. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up Supermetrics for Facebook ads. You're now better equipped to efficiently manage and analyze your advertising data. Thanks to Supermetrics, you can seamlessly integrate your Facebook ads data into your favorite reporting tool, making campaign management much simpler. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy data crunching.